Using a Microsoft Excel in your Windows computer, you open your Microsoft Excel page, and if you want to simply press, this is the shift key and this is the F3 key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, you can see that the insert function have been added here, and from here you can choose or select category. Here you can choose the option. Here you can see engineering is there. You must click this engineering, and here suppose if you want to convert binary to octal, you must select this BAN to OCT, and after that you can press this OK button. So suppose if you are going to type a binary number 1011, you can see that it have been shown here, and if you press this OK button, then you can see that it arrived in our Excel page also. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.